Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video on this item I got picked up from eBay for the limited 4Runner. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is one of the items I picked up. It says Volunteer Audio. It's a company on eBay. They are also a company that sells a lot of car stereo stuff. I picked this up for the AVIX 8200 next because I will be purchasing one. I'm bidding on one now. If that falls through, I have another one that I can purchase. Trying not to knock the camera over. So I'm getting everything that's needed to upgrade the Limited to the same style stereo system and everything that the SR5 had. On top of that, me doing this, putting the backup camera and everything in, actually also makes the insurance cheaper. On top of the Limited having anti-theft, an immobilizer, and a security system, adding a backup camera will actually make the insurance rate a lot less. About $150, almost $200 a year less. Volunteer Audio. It's very nice that they sent me a business card. So it also has their information on it. It is in original packaging, which is very, very nice to see. Read me first. This has got a radio installation guide, information, crimp connectors, connect the radio harness to the vehicle adapter harness, which I have a vehicle harness coming in as well as a radio harness coming in. So even if the AVIC 8200 next that I purchased doesn't have the radio harness, I already have a radio harness on the way. So I appreciate them for sending me a business card. They are in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. It's always nice to see business cards. So this is what I was thinking originally in the first one. SXV300. Hold on real quick. Sorry about that, guys. I had the TV on pause, and I guess it just ran out. You know how DirecTV's DVR, you can only pause TV, I think, for 2 hours or whatever. So this is the SXV300, which is actually what I already have sitting here. So in this harness right here is a bunch of wires that I took out of the old 4Runner. This right here, SiriusXM Connect Vehicle Tuner Model SXV300. This one right here. So that's what this guy is. Same thing. So we're going to open this real quick. Looks like it's still sealed. I'm going to have to take a picture of it as well, because when I call SiriusXM to activate it, they're going to want to know the number. So it does come with the antenna and same unit, SXV300, radio ID number and everything. So it's exactly the same thing as what I have sitting here. I just took all of this out just in case I may need to put it into mine, because I was anticipating putting my 8200 next that was in my SR5 that's wrecked. I was anticipating that you couldn't find another one of these stereos or any of these items, because all this stuff hasn't been made since like 2016 or 2017. So being able to find these things, I actually found every single cable I needed, including this module. So it's actually really nice to see that I was able to find everything, so that way I could put all this wiring back into the SR5 and not have to worry about that. But looks brand new, other than the box has got a little crinkling on it, which don't matter. I paid 39 bucks for this. If you can still buy this module, this SiriusXM module, you can still buy this, the XS300, or the SXV300. You can still buy it from Crutchfield, which is where I mostly get. That's where I got both of my AVIC 8200 NEX navigation units from, as well as this twice for those two vehicles, and all of the extras that I put into those stereos as well, I got from Crutchfield. I normally buy all of my car audio stuff, speakers and everything, from Crutchfield. I will try to leave a link in the description down here for Crutchfield's website. If somebody asks you, when you're talking to them on the phone, if you're looking for something, if they ask, how you heard of them or whatever, just say that you saw a YouTube video from me, Antonio Michael, and I recommend them, because I very, very highly recommend them. Even if you need help wiring something in, you can call their support. They pick up the phone, they will walk you through it. They're a great company. But they wanted like $79 for this unit still, where I got it for $39. I'm not going to pass up, because I don't plan on activating this right this minute. I'll activate it in a couple months or whatever. I don't plan on activating it right now, so there would be no point for me to pay the extra, because if you pay the $79, you get like a year's free of SiriusXM radio with your purchase. This one says 3 months. But I already have an account with SiriusXM, so it's not really going to be an issue for me to just have it installed, and when I'm ready to call them to activate it, I can let them know what this information is. But, just a quick video. I will try to leave the information for this card down below as well, if you guys are interested in going and looking at volunteer audio. If you're near 523 Northwood Drive, Oliver Springs, Tennessee, go check them out. Maybe they have a storefront. We strive for 5 stars and positive feedback. If there's anything unsatisfactory with your order, please contact us. So they're up front on their card. Seems like a very respectable company. They sent me the item. I ordered this like yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I think I ordered this. No, I ordered it Monday. So I literally got it in 2 days. The shipping said it was going to be 4 days. So I got it 2 days early. Amazing shipping. That's all I got for you guys right this minute. Just quick unboxing. Again, this is SXV300. And because it's actually, whoops, this unit, if you try to Google this unit, it's actually SXV300V1. So if you see SXV300V1, it is going to be this unit, which is the SXV300. The V1 is Vehicle 1. It just stands for Vehicle 1 Kit. That's what the V1 stands for. Right here at the very top, it says model number. Let me turn this light on so you guys can see it. It says SXV300V1 at the very corner of the lid. But all over the rest of the box, it only says 300. So it is a vehicle kit, is what it is. SXV300V1. So if you find the V1 at the end, or just the SXV300, they are going to be two different things. The V1 is the Vehicle 1 kit. So Vehicle 1 kit comes with the actual antenna. So if you get just the SXV300, it's only going to have the unit. It is not going to have the antenna. So if you are looking for the kit, just remember, search SXV300V1. This one's not bent so much. There you go. I'll leave the information if I remember. Hopefully I don't forget, but you know, if I say I'm going to leave some information in the description and I don't, just leave a comment, you know, when you guys see the video and remind me, and I will leave the information as soon as you guys let me know. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, hanging out with me today, and I appreciate all of you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I will see you guys next time. Peace!